Hey students, it's Mrs. Martell. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of how the course works and how to submit your assignments and how to be a successful online student. So first, you're going to start off, you're going to log into your course through Florida Virtual right there at http://vsa.flvs.net. And you'll see at the top of your screen that mail icon, and here it's showing 40. So this person has 40 unread emails. So it's really important to check your FLVS email account to make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. This is how your teachers are going to get a hold of you. And then you'll see where your current courses are listed under your student dashboard. And what you're going to do, if I can just zoom in here, you'll be able to see that you're going to click that course button, and that's going to take you directly into the course and will send you to the OCVS website, which you will get this message right here. And all you're going to do is click that continue button, and that will take you directly into your course. So then if you click this black bar up here, you'll see where all your courses are listed. Now Ms. Martell has a lot of classes she's teaching, so you see all those classes, but you probably won't have that many. Okay, so then you'll get passed into here, and this is basically showing that you're not yet activated yet, which is okay. Just make sure that you fill out that Google Docs form and you're actually doing that. This here, I'm switching the orientation video to this video. So I will tell you exactly what to submit after we finish the video. So you're going to click return to course. It's then going to take you to your course. Now, this is my announcements page, and it has a lot of good information. First off, up here it says live lesson this Thursday, September 20th. A lot of you, when you click on your assessments tab, you're going to see the collaboration is one of the second and third things listed. So you can attend any of my live lessons for collaboration credit. And there's also a way through the course that you can complete it as well. And I'll show you where that's located. So if you have any trouble, you could click there for collaboration. That's going to give you some tips. When you are ready to schedule your DBA, we have one in Module 1 and one in Module 3 for Segment 1. And then in Segment 2, there's one for Module 4 and one for Module 6. And that's right how you're going to schedule it through my Flash appointments. And there's the Google Docs. You need to fill it out, so I have your current email, phone number, all that good stuff. And if you scroll down, it gives you my hours and as well as my other live lesson dates. Okay? And a bunch of good information talking about academic integrity, making sure you're doing your own work. It's very important. It's so easy for us to catch it. We run it through a system called Turnitin, and it compares your paper with every other paper that's ever been submitted to this course. So very important that you're doing your own work. Okay, and then I will show you these tabs up here are very important. This is your lessons tab, right? So this is where your online content is going to be located. So when you're ready to start, you're going to start with 1.00, and then you're going to read each page, and this tells you exactly what to do, kind of gives you a checklist of what's going on in class. And then it'll tell you to go to your assessments. After you read that, the play and plan pretest, don't worry. It's not going to be easy because it's probably going to be information you don't know. That's the pretest is kind of giving you an estimate of what you already know and what you can learn. So then I'm going to go to my assessments tab, which is this little drop box here. Okay, and then I can go ahead and click on that assessment that's gone because I've already submitted it because I did this before, but it's there in yours, I promise. Okay, and then we're going to continue to this main menu button just because it's really important to know where things are located. Your grade book, okay, if you want to look at what you've done, what you need to do, and there's our play and plan pretest because it shows me that we've already done it. And 1.01, we took that quiz and we got a 20%. So anything that is a 60 or below, you're going to get a red line. So you'll see that that might be something you want to redo. Now you can redo quizzes. You have up to 3 chances. So you have exams, quizzes, and assignments. Okay, so like I was mentioning before, here's that Segment 1 collaboration product. And this is where we go to turn our stuff in. Right here. And actually, I'm going to switch to make sure we know where everything is. So your email. Okay, that's another big thing. Here's my email icon, and this is where all my emails are located, and I'll see how many emails I have based on the number that's above the email icon. And right now, I don't have any, so that's good. And then, so basically what you're going to do now is, now that you kind of have an idea of where to submit assignments and how to submit assignments, want to make sure that you're working weekly, right? So if you don't work every week, it's a possible withdrawal, right? So that grace period is the first 28 days, and you want to be submitting at least 3 assignments. You are absolutely welcome to submit more, but we want at least 3 assignments, and we want you to work weekly. So even if you jump ahead of pace, you still need to be submitting 1 assignment per week. It just kind of keeps you active and engaged in class, and that's what we want. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get credit for watching this video and start that welcome process. I'm going to go to my assessments tab because that's where my assignments are located. And I'm going to click that segment 1 enrichment assignment. And this is what I'm going to type in there. I completed Mrs. Martell's orientation. Don't need to capitulate the O, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to hit submit for grading, and now I know that you watched the video, you know how to submit assignments, you know where to find your lessons, and you are good to go. And then see, it'll disappear. We know we submitted it, and just to double check, we can always click on our main menu button, go to our grade book, and we should be able to see that that was indeed submitted. See, it was submitted. It's just not graded yet. There's a 0 there, okay? And if you wanted to redo a quiz, you can always click on the quiz and then hit the reset exam and take it again. You have 3 times to get your best score. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to having you in class.